Welcome to the Mr. Smart Maths channel, and my name is Mr. Smart. In this video, we're going to be looking at the domain and range of functions. So here we have a function. There are 6 points in that function. And essentially, the domain are the x coordinates in the function and the range are the y coordinates. Okay, so let's identify the x coordinates of each of these points. So that's just the first number in each of the points. We have 5, 2, 0, -1, -3 and 6, and we just need to place those numbers in order. Okay, so my lowest number is -3, then we have -1, we have 0, 2, 5 and 6. And you can do that either from the list of points on the left hand side, or you can just look directly at the graph for that information. So for the range, let's do that. Let's pick up the y coordinates. So we have -5, -3, 0, 2 twice, and then a 6. So let's write those in order. -5, -3, 0, 2, and 6. We don't need to write the 2 twice. We just need to write it down once to cover the range. Okay, so second example then. Let's take a look at this set of points. So again, we're going to identify the x coordinates. So let's do that on the graph this time. We've got -7, -4, we've got a 0, a 2 and a 4. So in order then, yep, -7, -4, 0, 2 and 4. For the range, let's have a look at the y coordinates. Let's do that on the list. We've got 4, 5, 0, 5 and -3. Again, we have a number written twice. We don't need to write 5 twice. My smallest number is -3. Then we have a 0, we have a 4 and we have a 5, and that is my range. Be sure to check out the Mr. Smart Maths channel on YouTube, and don't forget the website mrsmartmaths.com. See you again soon.